Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited share. The result for Z Entertainment came on 4th February 2021 and the result was not that much bad, but still the price of the share got corrected more than 13 percentage. Specifically on 5th February, the price gone down minus 13.69 percentage. So we will be going to analyze in this video what was the result and what is there anything we need to worry about the result, is there any fundamentally any changes happened from the result, and then what should be our strategy going forward. By seeing the result we can get an idea about the financial performance of this company, and we'll be able to analyze what may be the cause of this fall. It could be a strategy of the market in big investors to uh, accumulate the stock at lower level, so that for that they may have sold in heavy quantity after the result, and so that the other retail investor will be in panic mode, then they will be selling, and so that these institutional investors can accumulate more, or there may be some worrying situations in the financial result that we will be going to analyze in this video. And another thing is that we are mainly investing, if we are investing in Z Entertainment, we will be investing in media entertainment area. So there could be some other stocks also which are performing well, so we can analyze that also. And I have found one stock which is having good performance, and we'll be, if we are investing in this company, we'll be investing in that company also, so that our downside will be protected, as well as if there is any bull market coming for in this in media entertainment, because during lockdown time the revenue of these companies gone down, from the revenue from the advertisement gone down. So that time the performance was very less, and overall the industry was in a very bad situation. But going forward, that will not be the case, and there will be some good revenue recovery from in this company. So by investing in two companies in the same field, we can almost if there is any issue, fundamental issue in one company, the other company could make use of that that time they can gain more market share and they can perform well. So we'll be analyzing this in this video. We'll be analyzing Z Entertainment and its result, and what should be our strategy. And in between, we'll be mentioning about the other stock also, which will be a value addition for our investors. And you can analyze. And going forward, I'll be putting a video of that company also. But in this, we'll be mainly focusing on Z Entertainment. This is the result published by Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited on 4th February 2021. We'll be going through the consolidated statement, financial statement, standalone also there, and a consolidated also there. So we'll be mainly going through the consolidated, so that overall picture of the company we can understand from that. This is the consolidated financial results for the quarter and 9 months ended 31 December 2020. These figures are in lakhs. So the total income is 2,75,693 lakhs, and the on 31st December 2020 compared to 30 September 2020, previous quarter, there is a good growth over this total income. And they compared to 2019 December, there also it is having good growth over last year quarter, also quarter 3. Compared to that also, there is a good growth visible in this total income. So definitely the company is growing, and the company is having good revenue income in from compared to previous years and previous quarter. And for the 9 month ended there is a fall visible because in between during the lockdown situation the revenue got affected. So there is a fall compared to 31 December 2020 and 31 December 2019, the 9-month ended 9-month duration. There is a fall in the revenue that is already discounted in the market, that fall, and then now the growth is visible for this company. Revenue growth is there, and expense we will check, is there any extra expense occurred for this company. Total expense we see, the total expense also increased for this company, and total profit before tax compared to previous quarter, that is September 2020, compared to that 31 December 2020, there is an increase in it is 59,175 lakhs compared to 16,738 lakhs. And for the last year 2019 Q3, the profit before tax also increased. So there is an increase in the profit. And then total we will see earning per share. What is the situation of the earning per share? It is visible here, earning per share. Earning per share, it is 4.16. I'm talking about the consolidated. The similar pattern you can see visible in the standalone also. You can go to the BSE website and download this financial statement, and you can analyze more about this financial statement. The basic and diluted 4.16 is the earning per share, and compared to last quarter it was 0.98 only, and last year 3.64, same quarter 3.64. Compared to that, earning per share also increased, and for the 9-month ended this year and compared to previous year, there is a fall. It is currently 5.46, and last year it was 13.46. So that fall already discounted during the March 2020, this Q1 Q2, there was a big fall in the revenue. That is already market know that, and now the revenue is in coming back, and the earning per share also increased. So clearly the situation is like that. The financial fundamentals are getting strong, and the company is in a profit earning mode. Still the price got fallen. That is a very there could be some planning from the high institutional investors to accumulate this stock. That is what my suspect. What I understand is that there could be some planning to accumulate this stock at lower level, so that they have sold in higher quantity, and then when the price goes below then the respected price, then they will start accumulate. But we cannot say how long it will fall, and what will be their buying price, that we cannot understand. Only thing is that we can start accumulate small quantity when the market, even right now also after the result 13% it gone down. Everybody was expecting if the result was good, then the price will go up. Then price got down 13%. So right now what we can plan is that we can accumulate small quantity right now, not big quantity. They may be planning for something else, and if we are buying all our money, putting all our money in this stock, then we may have to wait for long duration, and we may end up utilizing all our capital. So that should not be the case. You can small quantity you can buy, then wait for another fall. If the price is going below 200, right now it's in 215, if the price is going next week, if the price is going below 200, then again accumulate small quantity. Like that, how long they maximum they can do, up to 150 it can go, not sure. Maybe next week the price may increase. Everything is dependent on market factors and the FII buying and all. So we cannot predict how the price will go, but we can plan a strategy that if the price is going down, we will be accumulating. At this price also we will be accumulating, but small quantity, not in a big way. Now we will be going through some basic parameters of this company. The company is having market cap of 20,680 crore and the current price is 215, and then the dividend yield is 0.14 percentage, and the ROCE is 13.6 and ROE is 6.49. So the ROCE and ROE is moderate, and the company is having very low debt. So it is a good company to accumulate because the company is in right now in profitable mode, and the debt is almost company is debt free. But there are some cons also due to the coronavirus situation and the market economy, overall economy. There was a less growth visible, and there was a issue of promoter also. Promoter has pledged many quantity, and then the many other factors forced that promoter to sell many quantity. Currently the promoter is holding 4.01 percentage only, and this can be a good thing also because there may not be much impact on the promoter activities for this share going forward. And the other thing is that the FIAs are holding around 65% of this company share, so that is a very good positive sign. And the company, when we are analyzing the peers, I came to know about one company, that is Sun TV Network. This company is having good fundamentals similar to this, and it's having good dividend yield of 4.52 percentage. And then there could be some problem in between the coronavirus situation, but overall the company is having good fundamental and good dividend yield, and the result of this Sun TV is coming on 8th February. So when we what my strategy is that when I buy this company, I will be buying small quantity of Sun TV also, and so that it will be a good strategy. If any company is falling, the other company may be performing well. Or overall the situation, it could be like that also, if there is a problem in the industry, then all the shares will go down together. But that will not be a worrying situation, because when the industry is going in cycle mode, the companies will fall and the companies will rise. So you need to be a long term investor if you are holding these companies, and you should be accumulating when the shares is falling, and you should be so sure that the fundamentals are good. If you are not believing in this company when the price is going down, you will be in a panic selling mode. That should not happen. You will be should be accumulating when the price is falling. For that, you should be aware of the fundamentals of these companies, and you should be, if you are so sure and that your company can perform well in coming years, and the company is having good fundamental, then you will be accumulating more quantities when the price is falling. So that should be a strategy. So I am planning for these two companies, Sun TV Network and Zee Entertainment. These are very these are having very fundamentally strong. Other companies also you can try, you can analyze. Right now I am going through this Zee Entertainment, and the next video, in coming video, I will be analyzing about Sun TV also. Let's see what is the result coming 8th February. They are publishing their result. Sun TV is publishing the result. For Zee Entertainment, the results are good. We have already gone through that financial statement. Still, the price got corrected. So it could be a possible that Sun TV also, the price may be got corrected, or it could be another thing that for Sun TV, when the result is coming, it will go up. We cannot predict what the operators will do, on what basis the institutional investors will sell the shares or buy. That we cannot predict. But we can do that, if the price is correcting, we'll be accumulating more, and the price is going up, then we will accumulate. If you are not having any quantity, then you can accumulate small quantity. Otherwise you can wait for the fall. To the shareholding pattern analysis, it is clearly visible that FIS are holding majority of the shares of Zee Entertainment Limited, and the FIS are holding currently as from December 2020, they are holding 65.76 percentage, which is a majority shareholding, and then remaining is coming is with published shareholders, that is 18.06 percentage. Then DIs are also holding 12.01. Promoters are holding 4.02% only. If we analyze the trend, it is visible that FIs were having 68.27% shareholding as on March 2020. From there, they have gradually reduced their shareholding percentage, and DIs have gradually increased their shareholding, and the public also increased their shareholding. So analyzing this trend, it is clearly we can understand that the FIs are trying to reorganize their investment in this company, and they are trying to reduce, so that if there is any fundamentally any issue coming in this company, then they will be able to manage that. Otherwise they will be having majority shareholding, and they are having 65% shareholding right now. So one more thing is that after seeing the kind of selling happened in this company, in the share, after the result, it is we can assume that it may, one possibility is that FIs would have reduced their shareholding because the share price were trading above 250, and they were able and everybody was expecting if the result was good, the price will go up. So they would have used that opportunity to reduce their shareholding at higher price level. If that is true and FIs want to reduce again, then if the price is going up again above 250 300 level, then they will again sell. So we should be able to analyze this, and we should be taking care of this scenario also while we are going for investment. If that is the case, and if we invest all of our money in this company right now, then going forward it may take long, very time duration will be very high for the investment to grow, because every time the price is trading above, going up above 250 300, then the FIs will try to sell and reduce their stake, then again the price will come down. So we'll be waiting, and it will take long time for us to return over our investment. So we should be trying to catch the share at bottom level below 200, so that if there is any appreciation happening, then that will be good. And over the long term, when the company performance is currently also the performance is increasing, and the company is in a profitable mode. So going forward, when the fundamentals are very strong and the company is giving good result, better result, then it is possible that FIs will stop their selling, and FIs would maybe keeping this percentage with them. If that is the case, then the share price will go up very quickly, and it will cross 300 also. That may be the time when we will be getting good return. Till that, we may need to hold on to our investments, whatever investment we have done in this company, and we should keep in mind that we will be entering in this company at low level below 200, and if we get an opportunity near 150, then that would be a very good opportunity. So that is one more thing, one more dimension which we need to consider while investing in this company. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you are feeling that I am providing some value to your investment and to your knowledge, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.